We believe that wind energy is sustainable and makes sense. It is also a technology of the future that our planet needs. We are a relatively young company and have been around for 25 years. Today we work with a great team in many areas, and our employees are our company's greatest asset. My name is Dirk Bleker, and I am the managing partner of BWR GmbH in Schermbeck. A Vestas V150 wind turbine with an output of 5.6 megawatts is being built here at this site, which will be able to supply many households. Here on this construction site, we are not only moving several thousand cubic meters of topsoil, but also 3,600 cubic meters of filling soil. We need the dozer for mass leveling, especially for this construction project. 3 meters have to be removed and another 2 meters have to be filled in. And the PR716 manages to quickly implement our work on this construction site ecologically and economically, thanks to its low fuel consumption and high performance. Modern assistance systems now play a huge role for us because the price of the material is getting higher and higher.
I am Mark Hüfling. I have been working here at BWR for 22 years. I started as an apprentice and am currently working as a foreman in the earth moving department. We normally work with automatic machine controls on our construction sites. Here in the area of forests, which we often have close to wind turbines, we have a limited GPS reception. Here we also like to use the assistance systems on our dozer. Definition grade is exactly what we were able to use here, i.e. to produce precise, exact water flow for the roads. The results really surprised me positively, especially in the area of transitions.
We opted for the 716 because it consumes very little fuel, because we can use it in any soil, whether clay or sandy, because we can work in any weather or almost any weather. The 716 is also very maneuverable and can also be used for smaller construction sites.
We learn to appreciate the advantages very quickly, and I always like to take it to the construction site